Ever wondered how to change your iPhone's region settings? Well, wonder no more. This video will guide you through a series of simple steps to accomplish just that. First off, tap that silver icon labeled Settings. It's usually found on your home screen. Once you're in, a list of options will appear. Scroll down and look for General. You'll want to tap on that next. General opens up to yet another list of settings. This time, your eyes should be searching for Language and Region. It might be labeled Language and Address on some iPhone versions, so don't fret if you see that instead. Tap on it to proceed. Now you're on the home stretch. Simply scroll down until you see Region. Tap Region and a list of countries will appear. Feel free to scroll through this list to choose your preferred region. The change will take effect immediately, no need to restart or anything. So, to recap the steps, open your settings, tap on General, then Language and Region or Language and Address, and finally select your desired region from the region list. Sounds easy, right? That's because it is. With this simple guide, you can switch your iPhone's region settings anytime, anywhere. Remember, your iPhone is designed to adapt to you, not the other way around. As always, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to show your support by subscribing to the channel. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your iPhone experience.